How do you make that smooth, late-night chill funk like UDIENNX, Hostel, and XHV Savage? What's up everyone, it's Sean here. Welcome back to the channel because today we're cooking up some chill funk vibes completely from scratch. If you want to follow along or just grab the sauce, you can download the full FL Studio project file at the link below. And get this, it comes bundled with a massive 16GB collection featuring over 20,000 samples. It's literally everything you need to start producing like a pro. Do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a drop. I'm out here posting tutorials and free FLPs every single day, so don't get left behind. Now, let's dive into the sauce. Step 1. The pulse. First things first, we're setting the tempo to 130 BPM. That's the sweet spot for that classic Brazilian funk bounce. Step 2. The vibe. Time for sampling. Let's drop in Vision One Shot to lay down our first melody. Step 3. The texture. Let's layer it up. We're adding a second Vision One Shot to give that melody some serious depth and character. Step 4. The foundation. You can't have chill funk without a deep bass line. Let's craft something smooth to glue the track together. Step 5. The punch. Finally, let's build a custom bass kick using the 3X OSC plugin for that clean, synthesized low end. Yeah, it really is that simple. If you want to see the full raw process of how I built this from zero, check out the link to our live stream below. You can grab the FLP and the huge sample pack used in this video right there too. Want to link up with over 1,000 other producers? Come hang out in the Discord. It's the ultimate spot for free FLPs, drum kits, collabs, and even direct contacts for famous producers. Just a heads up, keep it cool because if you misbehave, you're headed straight to the Hall of Shame. Don't forget to hit subscribe. It honestly means the world to me and keeps the dream alive. Now, enough talk. Let's hear those final results.